Okay, so listen. They're coming back with an apology because, Pisces, you make this person happy. They definitely want things to improve with you, and this is what they're going to communicate to you. I'm telling you, there's communication coming in fast if you haven't received communication, or this is like in their thought process of what they want to do, but they just haven't made a move just yet. So yeah, some of you guys could have been dealing with someone and you could have broken things off because there was some type of third party situation going on here. But I feel like you walked away from them, but I also feel like this person left some type of third party situation alone. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Virgo. But this was a lesson, I feel like, for both of you guys. There was something that you were supposed to learn. There was something that this person was supposed to learn. But whoever was the one that messed up, they're sitting back reflecting. They're thinking about everything. Because, see, now they're scared that they're not going to be able to have this new beginning with you. And this is why they're worried. This is why they're frustrated. And they're, you know, they were having a hard time. I feel like at one point they were stuck in limbo. But they're taking it day by day. They're coming back towards you. And they're coming out of this energy of being sad about how things played out. But again, I'm telling you, they don't know what to do. That's a card at the bottom of the deck. They don't know how to approach you. They don't know how to fix things. They do. It's like they chose you. They choose you. And they do want to balance things out. They do want to put in 110% into winning back your heart. Because, again, they know that you are their soulmate. But they're back and forth with temperance. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but this is telling me that they want to balance things out with you. But they feel like you're not going to give them the opportunity to balance things out. They definitely want a new beginning with you. Somebody's not playing with y'all. Could be a Cancer, but this person isn't moving forward right now because it caused an imbalance within the love relationship that you two shared. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, and this is why they're not moving forward. I feel like they're still having to learn some type of lesson here. They're scared that things may not improve between the two of you, but they are letting go of some type of third-party situation. I'm just feeling like a lot of regret. This person is feeling guilty about how they treated you. But it's like they're not taking a leap towards you because, look, I'm telling you, this person was in some type of codependent situation. Could have been with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Could have been with like a mother figure that was interfering, or a children's mother, something like that. If that's not the case, there was just another individual here that was interfering, that they were codependent to, whether they were helping them out with finances or vice versa. So it's like now your person has made a decision. See what I'm saying? They want a commitment with you. They see marriage with you. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Taurus. But they want to fix things. And in order for them to fix things, they had to let go of this third-party individual here. But they know that you're still disappointed in them. But they definitely do want to have a happy home with you. They see it. They want this. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but this person is just not holding on to hope that they can really fix things with you. They feel like the seeds that you two planted together, they're not going to grow because they messed up. This is why they don't have the strength to come towards you right now. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But this person is dragging their feet because they're scared that they're not going to be able to have this victory with you. But they're coming out of feeling like they lost you, Pisces. But they're emotional. They're sad. I'm telling you, because of what they've done. Look at that. See, there's the King and the Queen of Cups. Somebody's definitely dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But they can't stop thinking about the past because they know that they kept stabbing you in the back. And they're hoping that you can heal. That you've healed from that. But it's like, they feel like if they come back, your guard is up. And you're no longer going to be open. You're no longer going to want to talk to them, speak your truth to them. Because they took too long coming back towards you. And they know you're frustrated. And see, look, they're coming out of being frustrated, coming out of feeling stuck or trapped in a situation. They're going to speak up. They're going to speak their truth to you. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but this person is coming back to offer you a commitment, something that you deserve. But they're scared that you're going to turn it down. You're going to pour off their cup of love if they come back. But they want to have a peace of mind with you. And if you're worrying that this person is still dealing with a third-party situation, this is telling me that they remove themselves. They're single. And they're coming towards you to speak their truth. They're coming to let you know what the situation is, what's going on, what happened, the whole nine. But I'm telling you, when they give you this offer, they're scared that you're going to reject it. So it's fear. Somebody's dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify the devil. Yeah, I'm telling you, they're scared. You don't want wish fulfillment anymore. You don't want to have a family with them anymore. You don't see yourself being married to them anymore. See what I'm saying? Look at that. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify justice, please. They're looking for the truth from you. They want to know how you truly feel. And at this point, this person is using their intuition. But they're scared that they're not going to be able to work this out with you due to them speaking their truth. Clarify? They're scared that things aren't going to improve and they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Somebody could be dealing with another Pisces. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Tell me more. Yeah, but this person is trying to stay positive here. They're trying to stay positive because there's something that they want to say to you, but they're holding back. They're scared that things are going to be over for good due to the fact that they were being sneaky in the past. Yep, and they didn't bring balance towards the situation between the two of you. Yeah, it's like you guys feel like you were left out in the cold, and this is why they feel like they're not going to be able to build with you. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I feel like this person is viewing you guys as someone who's moving on. Somebody who is just creating your own stability. You're healing. And I feel like this person is planning to come back towards you, but they're just not talking to you. They're not saying anything right now. Yeah, look at that. I'm telling you, this person wants to come back and fix things with you, but they're scared of how you're going to react because they know you're not playing around with them anymore. Somebody's dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, and this is why they're moving slow to come back towards you, because they are going to come back and give you an offer, Pisces. They're coming back. It's just, I'm just picking up a lot of fear. They're scared. Look, that's why, but they're moving slow. Because I feel like this is a lot of conflict going on. I feel like they don't want to argue with you, but I feel like it could be external to you. Like there's just some type of battle, conflict, maybe something with money going on outside of you. And that's why they're trying to make a decision as to when they're going to come and speak their truth to you. Ooh, Pisces. Y'all, leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates for you guys. This is interesting. Yeah, leave me some comments. I love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye, Pisces.